Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Shahzad and you are watching my YouTube channel Mobile Tips and Tricks. Today the topic of our discussion is how to log in Snapchat and the benefits of Snapchat. As you know, first of all you should go to Play Store and then write here Snapchat. The first one, click on it. If you have already, then you can update it. I have already app in my mobile, so I would not update it, and I will go to the app directly. After opening the app, here comes login or sign up. You can log in if you have already an account. If you have not an account, you should sign up first after clicking it. Continue. It will access to your contents. You should allow it. You should allow all these, and you should write your name on the first top and the last name. Then you should sign up and accept terms and conditions. You should write your date of birth here as your date of birth. Then you can change your username. I would like to change my username. Then I can change it easily. Here is written Muhammad Shahzad 720 is already taken, so I would suggest other usernames such as this one. I will like to this one, and I will connect on continue. Then you should write your password here. Your password must be strong and at least 8 digits, and it should be very for you. I would write any password which you want. You can write here. And then we will click on continue. After that, it will take a few moments. Then you should write your email account here. This is my email account, and I will continue this, and you can also change. Then you should write your mobile number here. I will write my mobile number and click on continue. Then enter confirmation code. Code have already sent, and then I will continue it. After a few minutes, here I can add my contents which are belong to me, which are in my contact history. I can add these easily. Then I would like to skip. Then allow. We will allow to record pictures and all other media. It should also be allowed. Then you can see here your stories, your pictures, your friends easily. This one is your friends list. You can easily do it. After that, this is Spotlight. You should connect on for watching videos.